guys, it's your girl Bad on BB here. Thank you for joining me. And today's makeup tutorial for VLOGMAS is inspired by Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Dominica, conveniently the island my grandma's from. And of course, I started this look with brows because it is a heavy eye look, and I really wanted my brows to be as sharp and prettiful as possible. So I'm taking a little bit of dark brown eyeshadow, and that's what I use to fill in the brow, and I comb it and then I clean it up with my concealer, of course. I really wanted to focus on these brows, so I'm using concealer. I'm going back, making them the perfect shape before I add my transition color and my base. I just used concealer as a base. I used my MAC and I used the Maybelline concealer. I need these shadows to super pop, so I'm just spreading the concealer base out with my finger. And now for my transition color, I used a nice little warm brown from the Too Faced Peach. It's a Too Faced Matchy Peach collection brown, and that's just the main transition before I get into this Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. It's got so many bold colors in there, and I started off with orange and I warm it up with yellow to give it like that really pretty sunrise look about it. It's all about like apply the color, blend, apply the color, blend, so you get that perfect sunrise color. And then I take even more concealer to add as a base. Sorry, this clip is kind of awkward. It's always awkward filming that. And I kind of cut the crease, and then I added that green color from the Zulu palette to really make that pop, and it really is pretty pigmented. I just kept layering and layering and layering to get a soft cut crease, and I'm going to use that green on my lid, and then I use it under the lid as well. But of course, underneath that eye, I added some Laura Mercier color stick, and it just really helped to make it pop. It's kind of like the NYX white pencil, the big jumbo pencil, and that's what I use to keep my eyeshadow popping. Then I take my Maybelline Tattoo eyeliner. I took a Maybelline cream eyeliner, it's super black, and I just went over that at the top before I added more definition. And I'm taking a Vivid NYX yellow liquid eyeliner, because I put that over the black eyeliner because I really wanted a poppin' tropical look, so I had to have a poppin' color. And then I go back with a black NYX eyeliner and just redefine that black eyeliner with the liquid eyeliner. And you can see I got these poppin' eyes before I get to the face. Adding my Smashbox primer, of course, my trusty dusty, before I take a little bit of my Maybelline color corrector, and I'm taking that to hide the little Louis Vuitton bags under my eyes, and of course correct around the mouth because I don't like any kind of shadow above these big lips. No mustache going on over here. And now let's get to the good part. Highlight of this whole look, this Juvia's Place palette foundation stick, multi-purpose foundation stick that comes in Dominica, and it just so happens to match my freaking face perfectly. I was shook. You don't even see that mug. It's wild. Instylish sent me these. They are so soft. Oh, they've got a big flat angle and then a short tip. I kind of have one that kind of reminds me of the True Blends blender, only with Instylish and scripted. Comes in brown, so like I imagine your makeup is not gonna stain this. This Juvia's Place is just blending so perfectly. Hold on, let me get on the gram. I'm about to get on Instagram live real quick. shout outs to Instylish for my multifunctional makeup sponge in this color that is not gonna get dirty. I got the brown one because I knew I'd be messing up my makeup sponges. But my God, this is such a soft, easy sponge to deal with. And the way that it's blending this Juvia's place. Do y'all see this? I love this flat part of the sponge. I love the flat part of the sponge. Looks so gorgeous. I look good. I look TF good. Beautiful thing. I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder and the small angle of that other blender brush and go up under there. And that's the perfect size. This one with the 2 angles, the little pink brush, and stylish, and they're soft. It goes right up in there for people with like small eye sockets. Yes. Instylish, you did your thing with the beauty blenders. They are a 10 out of 10 for me. I love this one because it kind of reminds me of the True Blend shape, but even better, it comes in the brown colors. So even when I clean my makeup brushes, they're, you know, it's not gonna look like a murder scene. And this one, oh my gosh, with the small angle and the big angle, I can reach so many different parts of my face easily, and it's round, so you can really beat the brown makeup sponge. I really like the flat part. I really like to use the flat part because I have a flat forehead. If you have a round forehead, you might want the round sponge. You guys know I'm a brush person, but this is actually kind of fun. Taking my Morphe Babe brush palette I never use. I'm gonna use MUA and Provocative today. Again to take some of that excess blush off so I don't look crazy. Oh yeah, that's kind of pretty. Wet n Wild Mega Glow and Golden Flower Crown. Gonna really make that pop. You're gonna wear Dominica. You gotta understand, Dominica is the Isle of Beauty. It is the nature island. I gotta show my natural glow, make it look like I've been eating fresh papaya and pineapples and stuff like that. Just make me look healthy, like I've been eating organic food grown in somebody's backyard, which is definitely damn near impossible to do in the city of Chicago, Illinois. 2 reds from Kayla. These are literally the only reds I wear. I have Show and Tell, and I have Red Roses. And since I'm going with the Dominica Island look today, I want to make it bold. So I'm going to go with Show and Tell today. I'll just use a lip brush to apply it. Oh, I need a lash. I was so inspired by Juvia's Palace multi-purpose foundation stick and Dominica that I had to bring the Dominican flags out, my Zulu palette from Juvia's palette, and you know, the flags out, the Small Islands Matter crop
top. Very island, very bold, very tropical, very Isle of Beauty, nature isle look. And I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, I will leave the details for you. There is no community without the U and the I, so make sure you leave comments below. Check me out on Instagram, my new Facebook page, and Twitter. And it's Bad on BB, over and out.